Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show how to delete Facebook account permanently. Firstly, open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook app, tap on menu, scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. After you tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. After this, tap on account center, which will be in the first. Now tap on manage account. After you tap on manage account, tap one more time in manage of your Facebook account. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Now tap on delete account. Now tap continue. After this, choose something. I'm going to choose first one and tap continue. Now you need to tap on yes, deactivate instead. Now you need to enter your password. Like this you can delete your Facebook account permanently. If you still have any questions, comment down below.